Jesse Hidalgo here with Hearing Group. Today with us is Janet Colley from our Oklahoma City office, so welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, so today we're going to be talking a little bit about rechargeable hearing instruments. And we know that that's kind of a real popular subject that's out there right now.
It is.
And so we have quite a lineup in our lineup, actually, with some major manufacturers, top line manufacturers that are making some really great technology out there. One of which is this product here. It's called Unitron. It's made by Unitron. And this particular one is their Jump technology. We've been dispensing the Jump technology for a little while now.
That's right.
What is your initial take on it?
I think it's a great product. It really works well for a lot of different lifestyles. The first one I'll point out is people who have dexterity issues, people that it's really hard for them to open and close the battery door, change that battery out. With this, it's all that is taken away. Because a lot of older people, as they drop the battery, or they may just choose not to wear them because they need someone to help them change the battery. Those are some of the key things I can think of.
Yeah, so battery replacement, especially the smaller batteries, right?
That's right.
I wear exactly this technology. And you and I, we wear hearing instruments, you wear hearing instruments as well. And we have the opportunity to wear anything and everything we want to, right? And so I personally love mine because all I do at night, put them right inside the charger and away it goes. What kind of battery do these use?
They use a lithium-ion battery.
Yeah, and so that makes it real nice because it'll literally be able to be recharged over and over and over again.
That's correct.
Yeah, and so one of the other neat things about this case that it actually sits in, there's a little spot right here where the little deficit pack can fit inside there. Correct. And so it acts as a dryer. So that way you can go through and whenever you shut it at night, click, it'll go through and try to pull out any moisture that may be around the receiver, around the microphones of the hearing instrument itself.
That's right, so it's all in one. You're not having to have a dehumidifier and, just a regular case. It's all ready to go in one.
Yeah, and so the other nice thing about this, how about if you're on the go? Do we have an option for something like that?
You do. It comes with a charger that you just plug into the wall. You would charge it like you do your cell phone. But if you need a little extension, there is a place for an extension pack that you can put on. If you're going to go camping or go hunting, and you're going to be somewhere that didn't have electricity, that's a great option as well.
So with that battery pack, that makes it really nice because it's on-the-go technology, right? And so just like you said, no matter where you're going, it just happens. You just click and then away you go.
That's right.
So we love that portion about it. Now, the other neat things that I love about Unitron and about the Discover technology is that it comes in several different levels, right? And so they make it in a 3 series, a 5, a 7, and a 9 level.
Correct.
Right? And so they all have different added features that you gain with each level, right? And so what are some of the major differences between them?
Some of the different technology levels as you go up have more automatic programs. So for someone who is more of a casual lifestyle, you may only need 2 automatic programs, conversation and quiet and conversation and noise. But someone like you or I who are on the go all the time in lots of different listening environments, we probably need something that has a little bit more adjustability, automatic, so we're not having to think about changing the program. So as you go up in technology, I think you get better sound quality, also more flexibility on those automatic programs.
Yeah, and so one of the neat things that we do, at least with our group, is whenever you come in, we do a lifestyle assessment.
Right.
So we're trying to figure out how active are you? From there, we match up your lifestyle with technology level. Right? And so that makes it nice. So really, it kind of puts kind of a measurement to it. So therefore, you're only getting the technology that you need.
Right.
That makes it pretty neat, right?
Yeah, I think it's great.
If you were to ask me what I really love about the Unitron Jump, probably the #1 feature that I absolutely 100% love is the very fact that, let's just say you came in and you could only afford this particular level, but you really wanted this other level, right?
That's
and
right.
so the neat thing about it is we get you into the level that you can afford. And later on, if you wanted to upgrade to the next level, the beautiful part about it is that you only pay the difference.
That's right.
You don't lose any of your investment. We just go through and simply hook it up to the computer and we upgrade the software that's inside the hearing instrument.
That's right.
Have you used that in your practice?
I have. In fact, this technology has something called log it all. So when you wear them and we see, you come in and you say, you know, I just need a little bit more help. We can pull up that Log It All, look at it and see how often are you in conversation in a crowd. You know, when you first came in, you weren't as active as you are now, that you can hear better, and you're more social than you were before. If you need that better technology, Log It All will come and direct us exactly on how much more technology do you need. It's a great option.
So that's one of the things I really love about Unitron is that they offer so much flexibility. They kind of sing the same song as we do, patients first, right?
That's right.
And so their goal is, we just want to help you hear better. And that's our goal. We just want to help you hear better. The other nice thing that I love about this, and one thing we did not talk about that clearly sets them apart from almost every other brand that's out there, is the ability to stream conversation.
That's right.
And so it streams to the TV, which all hearing instruments do that to one extent or another. But the other aspect that I really love about it is that it's able to stream to your cell phone. Now, is it just a particular type of phone that it can stream to?
No, with this hearing aid, it works with iPhone and Android both. And the other thing that's awesome, it streams to both ears. You are hearing it out of both ears, and the sound is really impressive.
So is there any intermediate device?
No, it's all built in. When Unitron released this, there's no extra device. It's all built into the hearing aid. In fact, it works with your phone in a way that if my phone is over there on the table and I'm going, well, where is my phone, by the way? I can just reach right up and answer the call. I don't even have to have my phone. I don't know that many other hearing aids do that.
That's just another reason why you need a professional to work with. It's because technology is advancing so much, you need somebody who really knows what they're talking about. So that's another reason why, if you haven't, get in there, see a local professional in your local market. It's important in order for you to get all the benefits that you possibly can. Janet, thank you so much for being with us and educating us about the new Unitron Discover Jump rechargeable technology.
That's right. I love it.
Oh, I love it too. We're pretty excited to have it. Again, Jesse and Janet with Hearing Group, thank you so much for joining us.